Hi friends, welcome to week 8. I'm going to go over kind of some of the things that we're doing this week at home in case you need some further direction, okay? So you'll notice there's not a ton of folders in this week because the first 2 days, whether you're in school or at home, are just working on your city plan activity, okay? So we did a rough draft of this last week on Friday at home. So if you didn't do the rough draft, you are going to have to start from scratch, okay? And the directions are all in Schoology in last week in the week 7 folder, okay? So if you're working on it at home and you don't remember the directions, go to the week 7 folder, okay? Then on Wednesday, we're going to kind of wrap up that activity and you're going to do a reflection. So the directions for that reflection are here, okay? And then you're going to watch a video clip called The Economy of Canada. So we're looking a little bit more at the economy of Canada. And then Thursday, we're going to look at Canada and the U.S. and those economies. So if you go into this folder, you will see a couple things, a reading that we're going to do and a link to me reading it to you if you're not a great reader and you want me to read it to you. And then the lesson assignment is there too. Okay. Then on Friday, we're going to transition a little bit to start talking about migration. Okay. Migration and immigration and how and why people move and things like that. So we have a little intro activity on Friday. There's a reading. I have a video clip I'm going to have you watch, a reading that I will do. So you can just click that, the here button. And then another video clip, and then another short reading, and then just a reflection post. So the first 4 things are kind of just me filling you with information about migration in general, and then you'll do a little bit of a reflection piece there. And then next week we'll dive a little bit more into migration. Okay, so that's what our week will be like. If you have any questions, let me know. Remember that your city activity directions and whatnot are going to be in the week 7 folder because that's when you started it. So you can always go back to week 7 for that information.